I would definitely recommend this conference to anyone interested in Android.
I think it gives you a wide look at not only the breadth of technology, but some of the problems that people have had and some of the cool solutions that are out there. I've been to several different technical conferences on different platforms, and this one features the most speaker participation in the classes, and by that I mean speakers coming to other people's classes, asking questions and getting involved in the conversation. That's really cool.
There's something in it for everybody, so you can definitely come here, check out the catalog, and find something that you're looking for.
The classes are really good. I mean, there's a huge variety, but all of the ones I've gone to have been really interesting and just totally going to help me day to day at work.
You can configure it so that you load that repeating wallpaper into texture 0, you load the light map into texture 1, and you tell it to multiply them.
You should treat your device like it's completely transparent. Anybody can look at your application and see your source code, right? Treat it like that. If there's logic you can push off the cloud, do it because it's going to help you in the long run.
All the presenters have been really great and had a lot of good information. It's really amazing how in-depth they know their topics. Some of them are the best in their fields.
They cover a broad variety of topics, starting from building apps down to Android internal fundamentals in the hardware layer, and there's just a wide variety of things to learn.
I got to know a lot of people from the same field, especially women in technology, and which really inspired me.
I mean, you have people that work at Twitter right next to people that develop their own app, right next to people that are brand new to Android, to people that are in a corporate environment at Fidelity and places like that, and the cross-pollination is just brilliant.
At the heart of Tumblr is these incredible people creating stuff, posting stuff every day. And we want to make sure that our Chrome wasn't getting in the way of that. So we decided we've got to have one layer of navigation so that we can make the most of this small screen and show the most of our users' work.
We rebuilt the action bar from scratch. I was so hyper-focused on doing everything they wanted me to do that I lost sight of what it means to fit inside the architecture of Android in general. Good applications follow the guidelines. If you want to make a good app, read the design guidelines, use the tools that Google gives you. You can make a perfectly usable, perfectly good application with the tools you get by default. But if you want to make something great, you need to stretch yourself. I think it's important to understand the rules. I think it's important to appreciate the rules. I think you need to understand them so that you know which ones you can break.
If someone were thinking about coming to this conference, I would tell them to come for all 4 days. The first day with the half-day and full-length tutorials, you can get really in-depth on specific topics you're interested in. I wish that more people from our company were able to come to this conference and learn these same things. This is all really helpful, and even though we're comfortable with Android, we're learning so much more every day.
I would say just go ahead, go, and because you won't regret.
I would say you should come. You'll learn a lot of cool stuff and meet a lot of new people, and it's really fun.
Come prepared. Come prepared to meet some people. Come prepared to develop. Come with an open mind. But come.
It's just a great experience.
It is up to us. It is up to the people in this room right now to make this place better for everybody, right? We need to push these boundaries. We need to work really hard. We need to challenge. We need to move the goalposts.
It's a new world. This is the kind of place to come to learn about the new world.
It's a no-brainer.